Are you aiming to ace your IATA Foundation Diploma in Fares and Ticketing? Get ready for a game changer. The IATA Foundation Diploma is your gateway to a professional career in the airline and travel industries, especially the Fares and Ticketing course. However, the Fares and Ticketing course is known for its complexity, particularly with intricate calculations, rules, and GDS systems. We are thrilled to announce the launch of our new virtual private tutoring sessions, specifically tailored for this challenging IATA course. What makes our private tutoring so effective? Let's look at the key benefits designed to ensure your success. You'll receive a personalized curriculum and learn at a pace that perfectly suits your individual learning style and schedule. Our sessions focus heavily on helping you master the most complex areas of the course, especially complicated calculations and fare rules. Forget rigid schedules. Our virtual format allows for flexible scheduling, making it easy to fit your studies around your work or other commitments. Our tutoring covers all critical components of the IATA Fares and Ticketing curriculum. Here are some of the key areas we cover. We ensure you gain a solid understanding of fare construction, global fare structures, and effective pricing strategies. You will achieve proficiency in using global distribution systems, which are essential for reservations and ticketing in the industry. We guide you through all standard ticketing procedures, ensuring accuracy and compliance with all IATA regulations for document issuance. Ready to take the next step towards your diploma? Contact us today to learn more about enrollment and scheduling your first private session. Don't let the complexity of the course hold you back. Enroll in our virtual private tutoring and achieve your IATA Foundation Diploma success.